Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for another Love Bite. A small little 9 card spread for you, Pisces, to see what message wants to show through. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Pisces, let's begin. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all the love that you send to the channel. I'm very, very grateful. And if you're new here, Pisces, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right. Oh, Chariot, center of my spread with a messenger. I was doing the pre-shuffle and I got the 8 of Wands there as well. So let's see what's happening. 9 of Pentacles. 7 of Wands is your overall energy, Pisces. I think somebody has their barriers up now. They are kind of keeping themselves safe, I think, because somebody has now, I think, de-stressed themselves, no longer kind of really worried about, all the lies that were spoken or the truth which never came out. Somebody is now starting afresh. Yeah, somebody has decided to stagnate a connection which never really went anywhere. There was no clarity about it. Maybe starting a brand new journey and really going top speed. A brand new chapter starting here, Pisces. Maybe this could be something to do with work as well. Even though this is a love reading, I have a single happy person who's totally concentrated on becoming the best version of themselves for themselves. 9 of Pentacles. So let's see what's happening here, Pisces. Let's start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you and that person could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify these cards. So Pisces and their person, spirit. Pisces and their person. Pisces and their person. Okay, got 4. Let's take a few more from here, Pisces. Pisces and their person. Pisces and their person, spirit. If any of you are looking for a personal reading, Pisces, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Pisces and their person. Pisces. All right. Good to go, Pisces. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, you have half our gifts, I the other. If you would only work with me instead of being silent and shutting me out, we could overcome any obstacles together and heal in sacred union. Like I said, somebody is now blocked off their person. I have a feeling they want to message or come forward. Work things out again. I hurt myself when I chose to keep the peace and enjoy time with you. I should have told you the truth about what was bothering me. Keeping it all inside me has been eating away at me. You changed. You were keeping secrets from me. 1 minute we were talking like best friends, and then you distanced yourself from me. Every time it happened again, we grew further and further apart. I miss the old us. Nothing is more terrifying and simultaneously delightful than having to bear witness to how our two distinctive souls are joined energetically for eternity. I understand if you're feeling scared, because it scares the F out of me too. So both feel the connection, and sometimes when the connection is too strong, it kind of scares people away or drives, it's like it repels because you don't understand what it is. I knew from the first time that I saw you that I would love you forever. Your smile made me fall in love with you, and I knew then that I wanted to wake up to see your smile every morning. I want us to build trust and work on a foundation of friendship before we can have a romantic and sexual relationship. I enjoy your company, but I don't want a commitment. I want to spend the rest of my life loving you. There is more to this than I'm able to share with you right now. Alright, so Pisces, if these messages are resonating with your storyline, let's start the reading. But first I'm going to take an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for my Pisces gang. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, advice, miracle. Oh wow, my favorite card in the deck. So yes, there is some miracle coming towards you. I don't know what this is, whether this is for you and you only, or maybe it's with you and your partner. Each of you will have a different kind of miracle coming into your life, Pisces, but it's a time to expect a miracle now. It could be by yourself. It could be you by yourself, doing really well in work maybe, or whatever, I don't know. But miracle is a miracle, so start praying, start manifesting what you want. Okay, so let's see now. Spirit, why is the Eight of Swords in reverse? I'm glad it is, because Eight of Swords upright is somebody who's trapped in their mind and, can't sleep, can't eat, always overthinking things, but it's in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Why is that? Even though I think you haven't really let go of whatever happened, you're still holding on to that past pain, maybe just a little bit now, but I do see you, Pisces, becoming financially very stable. There's something that you're doing, you may be taking care of yourself, or maybe your money is looking good, or somebody is seeing you like that. I think somebody doesn't want to, I think this is the other person who's seeing their person as a loving, kind, beautiful, perfect spouse material type of person, somebody who can make them really, really happy, and they don't want to let you go. They don't want to let you go. They don't want to stay stuck in their head anymore. So then why is the Ace of Swords in reverse then, Spirit? Ace of Swords. Why is the Ace of Swords in reverse? They're not sure whether... They know they've been immature in the past. They're not sure whether you are even going to choose them again. They're not sure whether this reconciliation is possible. But they desperately want it. See, again, now I have the Nine of Swords in reverse. They don't want to stay stuck in this place forever. But they don't have clarity either. They don't know whether, this reconciliation can take place. Maybe they're spying on you, or maybe people are gossiping. Something is happening here, and they have not been able to figure out what decision to make and how to maybe get back. So, Eight of Pentacles, Spirit. So, there's a stagnancy going on, it seems, in this connection at the moment. Yes, they miss their Empress. They miss their Empress. Ever since, I think, this Queen of Pentacles, the Empress, stopped giving into this connection, a lot of stagnancy has happened. Maybe it was only one person earlier who was giving to the connection, who was being loving, kind, generous. But ever since this Empress has stopped giving now this person wants to end this conflict, end this fight. They don't like the stagnancy which is happening in this connection. I think I have a feeling somebody wants to message now with the Page of Wands, or maybe come forward and request a meeting. What's this Page of Wands, Spirit? They want to talk about, yes, somebody's been under a lot of depression because they are realizing now they've created too much delay in offering this stability to their person. And feeling, yes, they've lost the love of their life now. Chariot. Chariot. This person is watching their person. They're watching their person holding back, but looking beautiful, looking very sexy. They don't have the courage right now. This card came out sideways as the Five of Cups. So in the upright, it would be somebody having regrets and sorrow about, losing something which is precious to them. And this would be, yeah, I'm going to come out of this and I'm going to race towards my person and make things right. But it was sideways. So I think they're still kind of holding back because of lack of courage. Heart of hearts, this person wants to rush forward. They find their person glowing nowadays, turning heads and looking great. So what's this World card then, Spirit? Is that an ending, or do they want a new beginning? What is this? Oh, wow. They want a new beginning. Pisces, the minute I asked the question, they want a brand new beginning and they want their soulmate back. They want their Two of Cups. They want to start a brand new chapter with the Fool card and the Two of Cups. They may have a little bit of lack of courage at the moment because they're seeing their person really glowed up now. Three of Pentacles, Spirit. Three of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles. Yes, they want to work things out. Now they want to come in proper. They want to come in as... they want to come in as the King of Pentacles to the Queen of Pentacles. They want to show that now I'm going to take charge. I'm going to be the correct person for you. Let's work things out. But right now, they don't know how to show their emotions. They're still hiding their emotions because... why is that, Spirit? Why is the King of Cups in reverse? Why is the King of Cups? Oh, they don't know how to say it, how to express their emotions. They are waiting. They're waiting for, I don't know what to happen till they get unstuck from feeling this way. If this person is feeling very unloved at the moment, they have a lot of deep emotions which I don't think they know how to express right now. Heart of hearts, they want to work things out. They want to come across as somebody who is now able to do the right thing and kind of be the right person. But this person seems to be waiting. They seem to be waiting. I don't think this person knows how to move forward. Eight of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles. They're working on themselves, it seems. I think this person has been in contemplation for a long time, and they're very, very afraid. They're very afraid that, they're going to be judged as a person who makes very unwise decisions, or because they were not very mature in the past, or they brought conflict, or maybe they pretended to be somebody who was not interested, just wanted a casual relationship or something. This person is going through a very dark time. Yes, as much as they want to put this work in, Pisces, as much as they want to put this work in, they don't know how to. They don't know how to. There's a deep fear that this person has now because of their own foolish mistakes, of their foolish, unwise decisions that they've made to always be, somebody behaving not too stable in a connection. So, Nine of Pentacles, Spirit. Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles. So... Nine of Pentacles. I think the other person who's totally now fine, somebody is totally fine. This Nine of Pentacles person, this Pisces, this is somebody who's single, abundant, happy, looking beautiful, doing their own thing. I think this person has gone quiet. They've gone quiet, they've gone within, they're not communicating so much, they've got their barriers up now. And the other person, as much as they want to now come forward, they're very ashamed of their own behavior. Feeling very embarrassed, very ashamed, not being able to manifest this new beginning. Somebody is under a lot of depression. Because they never fought for this connection when the time was right. I feel this is not kind of looking complete to me. Can I have something else? What can we expect? Oh yes, I knew it. This person is now, Pisces, if your person is not coming forward or whatever, trust me, they're learning something. They're going through some kind of spiritual lesson in their life where I think the universe has taken over and is kind of, justice is in reverse in that they're recognizing they did that. They were being a false emperor. Maybe they were trying to control the situation or be a dictator and say, whatever, it's my way or the highway or something like that. Spirit is saying, give them a little time. They're learning their lesson. expect that very soon you will get that message and the apology that you've been waiting for will come. They want to apologize. This little time apart has, I think, and especially since the other person has gone quiet on them and is not sitting around crying, they're glowing, they're looking good, they're doing their own thing, and the more they're seeing them like that, the more their bad behavior is staring at them in the face. Okay, so yes, miracles do happen, people do change. So let's see what will happen. We'll do a little more in depth next time when I'm going to check on how they're feeling, how you're feeling. So that'll be on Wednesday now. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.